Hey guys, and welcome to Pheas Airsoft, where today, following a user request, I'm going to do a hop investigation on the 97B and the 98A. Hey guys, and welcome back. Following a request from Captain J to have a look at the hop rubbers inside these two AEGs, I thought I'd oblige and strip these out and just show what the hop looks like. He's heard rumours and claims that you're getting our hop style results, particularly from the 98A. So I thought I'd take both down, have a look inside the hops and see what we can see in there. So we'll start with the 98A first, so I'll just pop the upper off. If you have seen my disassembly video, you probably remember that the hop is a different style hop in this one. So let's have a look. It looks like it's just an O-ring on there. Just get a flat head in there and should be able to. That is just an O-ring. Let's go to that way. So bear with me while I just get this off. So there we've got the O-ring off. Just lift the adjustment dial off. So there we go. Next thing, we'll remove the clip. I'll see if I can lift the hop arm out and just have a look at the hop arm as well. Now that is it's like an integral nub, so obviously it's like a figure 8 style packing bit pressurizer there that's hollow, and it is it does sort of flatten out when it's pushed down onto the hop rubber. So I'll just remove the barrel clip. Seems to be well stuck in there. That does not want to come out. It's a good sign, I suppose. There we go. And there's the hop. There's the hop rubber. And it looks fairly standard to me. I will turn it inside out and we can see inside of it. It does definitely look like this. It's not a standard rubber. Let's see if I can turn it inside out. It's quite greasy. Now the actual top of the rubber that comes onto the BB does seem to have like a bit of a H shaping to it. I can't seem to quite get enough purchase on this to turn it inside out because it's so greasy. I'll just dab it dry and see what I can do. Right, there we go. So hopefully you can see that quite clearly. So that is the inside of the hop rubber there, where the BB taps on it. It's sort of got like a H shape. It's definitely shaped differently to what you would normally expect in a CYMA hop rubber. It definitely did work effectively. I was dead happy with the accuracy and the range I was getting out of it. So I'll put that to one side in these bits, and then I'll get the 97B hop unit out and we'll check that one out as well. I am expecting that it will be more of a standard setup though in the 97B. Does look like a traditional M4 setup. There goes the barrel clip. Work that off. That does look very much like a standard one. It's not, well, the hot rubber itself is identical. It's the exact same hot rubber that's in the 98A. So let's just see if I can get the hop arm out on this one, just to double check it. So I've just taken the other gears off, and I can confirm that is a traditional style hop arm, traditional style M4, but the hop rubber is the exact same as the 98A. So it's got the slightly H'd compression part, the part that pushes onto the BB. Captain J, I hope that's been useful for you. I hope that's what you were looking for. I will see you next time. Bye.